2018 Audi Q5. I'm going to show you the parts of the donut, or okay. Now you put air in the tire and all that, right? But to put it back over there, it's not gonna fit like this, right, with the air. So you have to remove the air. For that, just come here with this. You see this? With this, you're gonna remove the air valve. This guy right here. This little thing right here. Come like this. Now it's gonna shrink. Now you can put it back in the trunk where the spare tire goes, alright? Or where the donut goes. That's pretty much it. Just put it back, tighten it. That's why this thing has like a grip right here for your fingers, so it doesn't slide. Alright, just put it back. Put the donut back in the trunk, and that's it. Alright, thank you for watching. Highlight your boy Axtuo. Shout out to my subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and put the feedback in the comment box. Let me know what you think about this donut. How did it work for you? Alright, see you in the next one. Highlight your boy Axtuo. Audi.